Hello and welcome to my latest English vocabulary lesson on tools. Yes, we are exploring over 35 new English words and their pronunciation in this lesson. We will cover every tool which is commonly used in the home for repair and DIY and for work settings like construction, plumbing, electrical and much more. So whether you are doing it at home by yourself or you are interested in expanding your English vocabulary for your job, you have come to the right place. Make sure to check out the word list in the comment section. So if you're ready, sit back, relax, and let's learn some English together. So our first word is the subject of our video, tool. And I'm going to give you the definition for this as well. A tool is a noun and it describes a device or implement, especially one held in the hand, used to carry out a particular function. So our first tool is hammer. Repeat after me. Hammer. Our next tool is commonly used with the hammer. Nail. Repeat after me. Nail. A bigger type of hammer is called a sledgehammer. Repeat after me. Sledgehammer. Sledgehammer. Another type of hammer that we can use is a mallet. Repeat after me. Mallet. And a mallet generally has a large, softer head. Our next common tool is a screwdriver. Repeat after me. Screwdriver. Screwdriver. There are two main different types of screwdrivers. The first is called a flathead screwdriver. Flathead screwdriver. And the second type is called a Phillips head screwdriver. Phillips head screwdriver. And with a screwdriver, you use a screw. Repeat after me. Screw. Our next tool has an unusual name. Spirit level. Spirit level. And if you want an electronic version, you can get a digital spirit level. Digital spirit level. Up next, we have tape measure. Repeat after me. Tape measure. Coming up next, we have a tool called a saw. Repeat after me. Saw. Let's run through the different types of saw. This is a hand saw. Hand saw. And this is a chain saw. Repeat after me. Chain saw. So this is an electrical saw. Let's move on to our next type of saw, which is a coping saw. Note that these are two separate words. Coping saw. Up next, we have the hacksaw, which has a slightly different configuration. Hacksaw. And note that this is all one word. Hacksaw. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, you're very welcome to Learning English Pro. My name is Jer and I'm narrating your lesson today. With over 300,000 views, my YouTube channel is growing really fast, so head over there right now and subscribe to my channel and start learning English like a pro. Okay, let's get back to our English lesson. Next up, we have drill. Repeat after me. Drill. And of course, we have a few different types of drill, so let's run through them. We have an electric drill, electric drill, and a cordless drill. Cordless drill. And this drill, of course, has no wires. Next up, I have a question for you. What is this called? I can assure you that not very many English speakers would know the name of this tool. It's called a caulking gun. Repeat after me. Caulking gun. Up next, we have sandpaper. Sandpaper. And the electrical option is an electric sander. Electric sander. Our next tool generally stays in one place. VISE. Repeat after me. VISE. Our next tool can be found in most houses. Plunger. Repeat after me. Plunger. And this tool is found everywhere. Scissors. Repeat after me. Scissors. Our next tool is chisel. Repeat after me. Chisel. And up next we have file. Repeat after me. File. Our next tool is pliers. Pliers. Up next we have a difference between American and British English with one tool called a wrench in American English or spanner in British English. And with wrench we have a silent W, so bear that in mind. So one more time, in American English this tool is called a wrench, and in British English it is called a spanner. And this difference carries over to a similar tool called a monkey wrench in American English, or simply an adjustable spanner in British English. So we have monkey wrench or adjustable spanner. And lastly, we have a much bigger type of wrench called a pipe wrench. And I believe this is what it's called in British and American English. A pipe wrench. Up next we have a duo of tools, the nut and the bolt. These are commonly referred to together, the nut and bolt. Our next tool helps you reach higher, a ladder. Repeat after me, ladder. And for a smaller type of ladder that you may have in your home, we call a step ladder. Step ladder. Let's move on to our final tool, the paintbrush. Repeat after me, paintbrush. And where is the best place to keep all of your tools? It is in the toolbox. Repeat after me. Toolbox. Coming up on screen are some video suggestions for you from my channel. And while you're here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Links for my social media are in the description below, along with a word list for this video. That just leaves me to say I hope you have a fantastic day. And remember, keep learning English like a pro.